Afternoon, children.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon.
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am? Good
Okay, fine.
afternoon, how are you, ma'am? Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, children, good afternoon. So last class we have started division. Okay. Division and by 2-digit divisor. Okay. So what is the relation between children? A remainder, and when the division will stop, the remainder must always be less than divisor. And we have to dividend, divisor, and the answer in the division. What's that called? Answer in the division is called quotient. And the number, okay. The number that remain, that is called
Reminder.
remainder.
Excuse me,
ma'am. And how to check
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is calling me? Yes, I
meant.
Yes, I meant.
Ma'am, I was a little late, so what you took, ma'am?
Nothing. Just we started only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we're just revising what we have learned last class, that is division. So here we are dividing 5-digit number by 1-digit and 2-digit numbers. So you know what is the dividend? The number, which number we are dividing, that big number, that is called dividend. And by which number we are dividing, that is divisor. And the number left out, that is remaining, that is called remainder. Then the answer in the division is called quotient. Okay, Madhav, can you please tell me how we can correct whether our division is correct or wrong?
We multiply with a quotient and
Quotient multiplied by quotient and
divisor.
Divisor and quotient we will multiply, and if there is any remainder we have to
Add it.
we should
Add.
Okay. So children, can you please take out your workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, faster. Page number.
Excuse
Children,
me.
1 minute. One minute. Okay. Page number, children.
57.
7. And how many questions we have completed? 7 question.
Question 8
Okay.
and 9 was the homework.
Question number 7, 8, and 9. That was the homework. We will discuss that answer
Ma'am, your
now.
videos.
Okay. It is okay now, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So question number
Okay, ma'am.
7, I will ask that answers. Okay, all the children, please mute. I will ask one by one that homework answers. Agne, please read question number 7. Question number 7.
The remainder of 1505 divided by 5 is dash.
Okay, what's the remainder?
0.
0. Okay. And the quotient, Richard, next one. Question number 8. The quotient, yes, that read that question. Question number 8. Please unmute first.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
8th question, right? The
Question number 8.
The quotient of 2000 divided by 2.
2000 divided by 2. What's the answer?
1000.
1000. Okay, children, did you get the answer? 1000. That is very easy. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then you have to write the 3 zeros. That is 1000. Okay, question number, next, John Sibi, question number 9.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is calling?
Ma'am, John itself.
John. Yes, John. Can you?
Ma'am, I was absent some days because of my tab have some more damage.
Okay, Manu. Okay.
That's why
Please
can you
unmute.
send me the notes?
Okay. Manu. The ones digit. Question number 9.
The ones digit in the quotient of 24,468 divided by 2.
What's the answer? The quotient, ones digit.
4.
4. Okay, children. 8 divided by 2. That is that ones place. 8 divided by 2. The answer is 4. Okay. Isha, can you read question number Isha? Question number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Find the amount each person gets when 18,953 rupees is divided equally among 18,953 members.
Okay, the same number, divisor and dividend. We are dividing the same number by itself. Okay, so what will be the answer?
1.
1. Okay, so children, you can write 18,953 divided by 18,953. So same number, if you are dividing, you will get the answer as 1. Okay, children?
Ma'am,
Ah,
we can write rupees 1.
yes, rupees 1. So children, you can write the amount each person gets equal to rupees 18,953 divided by 18,953. The answer is rupees 1. Because the question is find the amount. Amount, you can write rupees 1. Okay, children, it's clear. Question
Yes,
number
ma'am.
11. Devak. Question number 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 11. What is the equation?
What is the equation to check the correctness of division?
Division. Okay. Dividend is equal to, I will write it on the board. Can you say? Dividend is equal
Quotient
to
into divisor
divisor
plus remainder is equal to dividend.
Okay. So I'm going to write that on the board.
Plus remainder is equal to dividend.
Okay, okay, okay. Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So the question is question number 11. Dividend equal to dividend is equal to, I'm writing below because there will be less space. So children, you can write it as a single line. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor. You can keep that in the bracket. Then remainder. Okay, remainder. How we can correct whether our answer is correct or wrong? We can, if we are getting dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. So why we are doing first which operation? Quotient into divisor. So we will keep that in the bracket. Then plus remainder. Okay. Now there is division by 0. Children, division by 0 is not defined. Okay, Blesswin, can you read question number 12? Please unmute. Read question number 12. Not able to hear? Felix, please unmute and read question number 12. What is the quotient of?
What is the quotient of 27,864 divided by 0?
0. Okay. So here any number by division by 0 is not possible. So that is not defined. So children, you can write division by 0 is not defined. Look at the board and write. Okay. Division by 0 is not defined. Division by 0 is not defined. So we cannot divide any number by 0. Division by 0 is not defined. Children, finished? Have you completed that one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am.
no, there is right.
I didn't finish it.
Okay, then please check. Division by 0 is not defined.
Ma'am, the answer of 91 is 4, right?
Yes, 4.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Who?
Amna, ma'am.
Okay, yes, Shamana, please ask me.
So, ma'am, division by 0 won't we study it?
Division by 0 is not defined. We cannot, 0 by any number, we can say that is 0.
It's 0 itself.
But division by 0, that is if the divisor is 0, that is meaningless. Division means what? Sharing equally. Okay, children, division means what? Sharing equally. Divided by 0 means that is if divisor is 0 means we don't want to divide. So that is meaningless. Okay.
So no need to divide that.
No need to divide. So we can write division by 0 is not defined. Okay, children. Now I'm going to 1 minute. Children.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is that?
Ma'am,
Okay.
the 10th answer.
Who is asking me this now?
Ma'am, I did not heard because the ear is raining.
Who?
Ma'am,
Angelina, rupees 1. Any number divided by same number, that is 1. So that is written rupees 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, I'm going to teach you some divisibility rules. All the children, please, we have some questions there. We will continue in our next period. So what you have to do, keep your pens inside, then close the workbook. All of you, please close your workbook. If you are late, some children I can see that network problem, they are joining again and again. If they are not have completed, I will send the WhatsApp notes. Now what you have to do now, please close your books and listen properly. Fia, please turn on your video. Okay, children, please pay attention. We are going to study now divisibility rules. Divisibility rules means what? If we want to know whether without actually dividing, looking at the number, how we know that number is divisible by 2. We can study all like divisible by 2, 3, 4 and all. First thing.
Ma'am, I know the divisibility rules.
Okay. So I'm showing everyone. Okay, children. So please pay attention. I will show you that screen. Where is that screen? 1 minute, let me check. Okay. Why this is coming? Okay, 1 minute, okay. Return to meeting, it's coming. So divisibility rules, I don't know when I am sharing the screen, you are not able to. Okay, so now I will just.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can see the board, ma'am, when you are sharing.
Okay, you can see the board. Okay, so just I will read. Just please pay attention. I will show that board later. Okay, I will show that screen sharing later. So first rule, divisibility rule of when the divisor is 2. That is, if you want to divide a number by 2, what is the condition? You have to see the ones digit of the given number of the dividend. You have to see the dividend, and if it is even numbers, that means if it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that means we can divide. Okay. If the last digit is even number, that means that number is divisible by 2. Okay, children, please pay attention. I will show that. Then with the examples, we can see that that divisibility rule start. Okay, so first one is divisible by 2. How we were checking? If it is How we are checking? If it is even number, the last number is even number, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That means we can divide that number by 2. Okay, clear? Okay, now divisibility rule by 3. How we are checking whether the given number is divisible by 3. The sum of the digits of the given numbers must be divisible by 3. First, suppose if the number is 33, we want to divide by 3. So what do you have to do? You have to add the digits. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Then it's coming return back to meeting. Something problem here. I don't know what's that. When I say that one board is okay. So question, divisibility by 3. It's when we add these two numbers. If when we add that number is divisible by 3, we can divide. So we can use one example. So first rule I told divisibility by 2. Okay, divisible by 2. So what did I say? If I have one number 2, 2, 4, 6. How will I check whether I can? Madhav, are you using some virtual background or what is that? Madhav's face. So children, what I want to check whether this is divisible by 2. So the divisor is 2. What will I do? I will check the last digit. Okay, I will check the last digit. If it is an even number, you know, even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then that number is divisible by 2. So here, Amna, can you please unmute and tell me? Please unmute. Okay. Which is the last digit here? Ones place.
6.
Is it an even number or odd number?
It is an even number.
So can you divide by 2?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, children, understood. If how we are checking whether we can divide by 2 means we will check the last digit. If it is an even number, we can divide this number by 2. Okay. Now we learned one more thing, that is divide by 3. I want to check whether this number is divisible by 3. So what is the rule here? We have to add the digits 3 plus 3 plus 3 of dividend, this number. Which number we want to divide? We will add the digits of this number. Okay. So what is this? Brightlin, can you please unmute? Brightlin. Yes, Brightlin? I think some problem. Adinath, please unmute. Adinath.
Ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to add the digits of these number, like 333. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. Can you add and tell me the digits, sum of the digits?
Ma'am, 9.
9.
9.
Okay. Now this 9, you will check whether it is divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 3? 9 divided by 3?
Yes.
Yes. That means 333 is divisible by 3. So children, I'm going to teach you now only.
Ma'am,
One minute, okay.
Rule of the
So children, please wait. I'm saying now only 2 rules this period now, okay? What you are going to do is divisible by 2. Okay, how we are going to check whether that number, given number, even if it is a 5-digit, 6-digit number, how we will check whether it is divisible by 2? You will look at the last digit, that is ones place. If it is an even number, that means if it is a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then we can divide, that is divisible by 2. So that is the divisibility rule of 2. And what is the divisibility rule for 3? We will add, which number we have to divide? We will add all the digits, that sum of the digits, if it is divisible by 3, then it can be, that number is divisible by 3. Okay. We will do with one example. Okay. I have like 5, 6, 7, 1. I want to check whether it is divided by 3. I want to check whether it is divisible by 3. Ammo, what I have to do? Please unmute and tell me. I want to check whether this number is divisible by 3. What I have to do? Ammo, can you please unmute? Okay, what I have to do? Yes, Ammo? Not able to hear. Okay, Anusri, can you please unmute and tell me what I had to do? Unmute. Yes, Anusri? Isha, can you please unmute, Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
I want to check whether this given number is divisible by 3. What I have to do?
We have to check the last digit of 5,000.
No, that is divisibility rule for 2. I'm asking about 3. What we have to do? We have to add the digits. Okay. Can you add the digits and tell me 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 1. Can you add
21.
and tell me 5 plus 6?
5 plus 6, 13.
5 plus 6?
No, 11.
11 plus 7?
11 plus 7, 18.
18 plus 1?
19.
19. Can you see this 19 in the table of 3?
No.
No. 3, 6, 3, 3, 9, 3, 4, 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, then 21. So this 19 is not there in the table of 3. That means we cannot divide this number by 3. Okay, children,
Yes,
this is the divisibility rule for 3. You have to find the sum of the digits. You have to find the sum of digits, and if that sum is divisible by 3, then we can divide that number. Okay, we will do one more example. Brightlin, please tell me the answer. Brightlin, can you please unmute? I think there is some network issue. Anina, please unmute, Anina. Anina, can you please unmute? Okay. Anina, I want to check whether this number is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. How will I do? Where is Anina? Yes, Anina, please check whether you can unmute. Please check. Okay. Anina, what I have to do? I want to check whether it is divisible by 3. Children, can you hear me? Yes? Connection problem is there? Let me check. Okay, children, can you hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, which number is given there? Gautam, can you please unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look at this number and tell me, how can I check whether it is divisible by 3? How can I check?
Ma'am, by looking the last number of that.
Who can tell me how we can check? Please raise your hand.
Ma'am, we should look.
Okay, yes, Angelina. Yes, Angelina. How we can check whether that is divisible by 3?
1 plus we should add and
We have to add the
yeah,
digits. Okay, children, we have
and
to
we will
add the
get
digits.
the answer.
And if it is divisible by 3. Okay, Angelina,
And-
please look at the number and tell me whether it is divisible by 3.
Yes,
1.
yes, ma'am.
1 plus 7 plus 4. What is 1 plus 7?
It is 8.
1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to
12.
12. And can you see this 12 in the table of 3?
Yes, ma'am. 4 into 3.
4 into 3 is 12. So that is divisible
Divided by the 3.
3. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 12 is there in the table of 3. So that means 174 can be divided by 3. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if in the 19 is not divisible by 3, so
Yes.
when we divide 19, we will get one remainder. So that
No,
will
we
be
are
not.
not. We are not checking whether if there is with a remainder. We are not checking. We are checking whether it is completely divisible.
Okay, ma'am.
Completely divisible by.
Ma'am,
So children, just we have done only divisibility rule for 2. For 2, what you have to do? Look at the last digit. Only for rule divisibility rule for 2, we had to check the last digit. If it is even number, that means it can be divisible. Now, what
Ma'am, we
about the
cannot-
rule for 3? Add the digits together and check whether it is divisible by 3.
Ma'am,
Okay, Angelina.
Ma'am, then also when we divide 3 by 19, if we have a remainder 1, we can divide it, right?
No, we are not checking for that. We are checking for the completely divisible rules.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now we will continue this in the next period at 1:30. Okay, children. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.